Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, I'll guide you through the process of obtaining a refund from Shein if your order hasn't been received. It's essential to allow sufficient time for delivery, considering potential delays. If it's been 1 or 2 weeks past the expected delivery date and your item hasn't arrived, it's time to reach out to Shein customer support for a refund. Here's what you need to do. Go to the main Shein website and scroll to the bottom of the page. Find the Customer Care section and click on Contact Us. Locate and click on the Return and Refund option. Clearly explain that your order hasn't arrived even after waiting for 2 or 3 weeks past the expected delivery date. Include as many relevant details as possible. Once all necessary information is provided, submit your refund request. Shein will review your request and process the refund accordingly. For further information regarding refunds, you can also visit the Shein website. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Refund to learn about refund methods and timelines. That covers the process. Stay tuned for more useful content, and I'll see you in the next one.